Uhawe ikaze kuri Iga Vuba Icyongereza kandi bikorohewe. Ubu tugiye kwiga question in English and Kinyarwanda. Tugiye kwiga ibibazo by'Icyongereza mu Kinyarwanda, tujye tureba n'ibisubizo byabyo. Yego. Do you drink coffee? Do you drink coffee? Unywa ikawa? Do you drink coffee? Unywa ikawa? No, I don't. No, I don't. Oya, ntabwo nyinywa. Oya, ntabwo nyinywa. Are you thirsty? Are you thirsty? Ufite inyota? Ufite inyota? A little. A little. Si cyane. Ni gake. Do you want something to drink? Do you want something to drink? Ushaka icyo kunywa? Ushaka icyo kunywa? Something would be great. Something would be great. Bonye icyayi byaba ari byiza. What do you want to eat? Ushaka kurya iki? What do you want to eat? Omelette would be great. Omelette would be great. Bonye umureti byaba ari byiza. Do you like Rwandan food? Do you like Rwandan food? Ukunda ibiryo by'Abanyarwanda? Yes, I love Rwandan food. Yes, I love Rwandan food. Yego, nkunda ibiryo by'Abanyarwanda. Do you drive car? Do you drive car? Utwara imodoka? Yes, it's truck. Yes, it's truck. Yego, ntwara ikamyo. Murakoze, reka tube dusubikiye aha, tuzasubikura, ariko hari inyunganizi y'uko twakosora, watugira inama, igitekerezo biremewe nta kibazo, tugakomezanya. Kora share, subscribe, twikomereze niba isomo ryagushimishije. Murakoze, mugire ibihe byiza.